Before we get into it though, we're going to hold up and talk about something that I love, and that is bench accounting. Bench Accounting is a company that, and here's what we do on Breakthrough. Occasionally we're going to have product reviews and product features. This is a product feature because it's a product that I use right here on Foodable Network, and we use it for all of our accounting. So we have our CPA firm, and we use an online accounting program called Bench. And Bench is kind of cool because it gives you a dedicated team of small business bookkeepers for you. Very intuitive app to track your financials and your financial reports that make tax season really super easy. Here's the thing. Every small business, whether you're a restaurant operator, you're a big brand, maybe you're emerging and you need that kind of support, you don't have a CFO just yet, these are your new CFOs. These are the people that are going to help you kind of keep your books in order. And this is something that I can't live without. I actually am a little bit addicted to it because it really does give you almost instantaneous real-time information. It's tied right to your bank account, so it literally gives you an income statement, a balance sheet. This is something that I love because I can go in and look at expenses. I can look at certain types of expenses. Their search tool is absolutely off the chart. You can find almost anything when you're trying to find out, what was that check for? Or what was this particular expenditure for? Was that travel or was that entertainment? Was this something that I needed for the studio? All of that is right here in your operating expenses, which is really a cool feature. And this is all online. They have a really cool mobile app that I'll talk about in a second. This is something that I really love and everybody does, and that is revenue, expenses, and profit. This is going to help you look at how your revenue and expenses and profit work out over time, so you can kind of see what's happening. And this is a cool feature right here called the top 10 expenses. I use this on a day in, day out basis. It's the first thing I hit in the morning when I start to look at the financials. Then I get a phone call from my CPA, we start working through, and this is the kind of breakout we can start to look at, and we can fluctuate our expenditures based on where we need to. So imagine you could do this around your cost of goods, around labor, around your product suppliers. All of those kind of things can fit right in. Another thing that I think you're going to love, and that is account balances. This can tie in a whole ton of different kinds of accounts. So let's say you have your credit card merchant account and you want to tie that in. Let's say you have 2 different bank accounts, one for payroll, one for incidentals or for operating cash flow. This can all functional, put it all into one piece, get into your recent transactions, moving from account to account. It breaks these down here, so you see business and interest, and then checking. 3 different accounts right there that's going to be helpful to you running your business. So again, product features here on Breakthrough. When we go into product features, it's something that I passionately believe in, or I'm using it myself. And this is one of those that does it. Another cool screen here, which is kind of your cash flow summary, which I love this part. Kind of goes down to and gets almost like think of it as a one bank account or one app that's bringing in all your banks in one place so you can see all your transactions and what's happening. Mobile app, great product. I love it. It's not as, what I would say, as robust as the desktop. Obviously, it's designed to give you there for quick action and quick finds if you're looking for something in terms of expenses or how you did last month. And if you are a very mobile app user from a restaurant operator, most of the time you guys are, you're not at your desk a lot, this is the product to use. So if you want, this is where it helps you. As part of Breakthrough, Bench Accounting is giving you guys 20% off over the next 6 months. So the pricing program is based on how much revenue you take in as a restaurant. If you're $1 million restaurant, you're X amount. If you're a $500,000 restaurant, you're a lower amount, because it's looking at the number of transactions that you go through to be able to establish. But whatever the amount that you're going to pay, you're going to get 20% off by going to the link in the description below. So when you are checking this out on YouTube, you've got to hit the link in the description below to get this 20% discount on the next 6 months of Bench.